Over the pavements spread where names once lay dead, and the times we see ahead. We're glazed with rosy hues, for we don't wish to abuse what it is we have to lose. Walmart's fast food and strip malls, great placements, fancy stores along our highways, asphalt shores. In every state but they was British immigrant outposts. 13 Mad Colonies English settlers betrayed both Native Americans and their home country, the crown. And we're hated by the Spanish and French too. Hardly found founding fathers decided that instead of peasants they would use slaves to farm. And your migrants full of factory wages, most would own less than many serfs did in the Middle East. Our founding fathers decided that instead of peasants they would use slaves to farm. And your migrants full of factory wages, most would own less than many serfs did in the Middle Ages. From the northern rocky coast to the southern sandy shore, 13 little clusters of rock, not utopias of Thomas More. Each one had its story, each turned anti-Tory, and made the revolution. Traitors gave contribution to the new republic, which eventually would replace the British Empire. Massachusetts, Rhode Island, New Hampshire's forest true, Connecticut, Coventry, skies are blue. New York and New Jersey, side by side. Pennsylvania's fields, stretching far and wide. Delaware's small but proud and free. Maryland's short but just BC. Virginia's hills and Carolina's there. North and south of the river flare. Georgia, Peachtree streets lined. 13 colonies, conspirators aligned. College farmed and traded. They prayed and they dreamed. Some were pioneers of freedom, some cracked and schemed. Some leaders act the same, and when new taxes came, they whipped liberty and stoked the flame. Founding fathers were kings, but with different names. African slaves had chains, European migrant masters. Most were racist, even bastards. From Boston's port to Savannah's breeze, they wrote their fate on parchment leaves. Founded 13 colonies, bound by design, or a wicked unlucky number. 13 stars on blue, banner bright, lightning strikes in the night. Franklin's kite. From colonies to states they became united in violence and freedom's name.